Downtime is more than an inconvenience for businesses across Edmonton. When systems stall, decisions slow, care is delayed, deals slip, and production lines lose momentum. With 49% of businesses outsourcing IT to free up resources for core activities, the pressure is clear. Leaders across Edmonton industries are looking for stability that keeps work moving without constant interruptions. That shift shows up in how finance firms manage reporting cycles, how healthcare teams protect patient flow, how technology companies scale platforms without chaos, and how manufacturers safeguard throughput. Kevin White, CEO of TRINUS, puts it simply, the most resilient industries treat IT as infrastructure, not background noise. That mindset turns technology into a foundation instead of a distraction. Managed IT creates clearer ownership, predictable response, and systems leaders can trust under pressure. You can read the full article on our website and add this conversation to your Spotify playlist.